Well, I was getting it off. I should have picked it up and moved the trailer out, but I didn't. I thought it could back up. And when it swung right off my forks and hit the ground, and it was 2 feet up, so it broke.
Hey Rick, tell me the whole concept, can you?
Well, you dig a hole. That's where the water goes in. And you fill it with real big rocks, so there's lots of room for water. And you line it with the felting to keep the sand from coming in. That keeps the rock clean. So there's lots of room for water. The water all drains in and it goes out into the ground.